In this video, I'm going to talk about how to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. So I'm going to transfer the contacts from this particular iPhone over here to my another one over here very easily, and how we can do it. So please watch this video completely so you'll be getting a complete idea on this. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap over here on the call icon, and you might be on a recent or something, so just change or tap on the contacts. Now from here you have to tap over here at the top. Now you need to click on all contacts. Now we have three options, either email all, message all, export. Tap on export. Now from here you have to tap on this particular icon over here, and what happens is right now you need to set or tap on AirDrop. So what happens is the available device will be here. So in my case, the Peter is my alternative device. So what I'm going to do is just select the Peter over here. So the Peter will receive a message where he have to accept it. So all the contacts will be shared to the Peter. And right now I did. And once I shared this one, I'm going to just keep it over here like this. So in my other phone, which shared by the AirDrop, it received all the contacts from this particular phone to this one. You can see these are the available contacts, which is around 13 contacts is right now visible on this one, and this is how I can do it. So it's quite easy as it is, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.